Good evening. It's my great honor to give you the speech about the environment pollution, which is a serious topic in the 21st century, along with the increasing pollution around the world. To begin with, let's show you a picture about the environment situation in Beijing this winter, which exactly illustrated how terrible the air quality was, and the passengers had to wear gas masks to protect themselves. It is the real situation around us in China, and I believe the situation is not alone. And currently, a lot of countries and places are suffering the revenge of nature. To be specific, by looking at the pollution of air, water, oil, currently existing in our planet, it is urgent for us to take some actions to protect the only home to all of us. For example, the global warming in the 21st century is showing its power to human beings by melting the ice of the Arctic Pole and the Antarctic Pole, as well as some islands, which cause the increased sea level. And this can be lethal for some countries near the sea. According to the data collected by Patrick, the amount of sulfate and nitrate have made the air quality become worse and worse, which can be regarded as one of the sources of disease for human beings. Concerned with the higher rate of cancers in current society. Under this circumstance, it is time for us to do something in order to protect the earth. Before the illustration, it is helpful for us to look at a brief picture to show the process of making contribution to the environment. As we can see from this picture, the first and foremost step for the improvement goes to the environmental policy making, which should involve the active participation of governments in the world. After that, it should be clearly and deeply planned in order to take the effective actions regarding the pollution. For example, it is necessary for the policy to cover how to solve the air pollution. Should we limit the gas emission, or should we deal with the gas before emitted to the air? Then, after the policies are made, relevant implementation and operation should be done in order to actually deal with the problems. In the further process, we should check and review so as to make the continual improvement. Of course, all of the policies should be applied to ourselves, which needs to understanding and cooperation of every person. After all, it is true that dealing with the environmental pollution may sacrifice the benefits of some businesses or countries. But what we should think about is the long-term development of human beings instead of short benefits.